Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last class, I taught you circle 5 markers. Today, we will continue with the standard questions which may appear either for 6 marks in the last section or in part D for 5 marks. Okay, we will start with the concept, that is concyclic. The name itself says concyclic. What is meant by concyclic? Cyclic means on cycle, means on the circle. See, 4 points are said to be concyclic if they lie on the same circle. 4 points are said to be concyclic if they lie on the same circle. Suppose if this is circle, I have point P, point Q, point R. I can say PQR are concyclic. Why they are concyclic? Because they lie on the same line, same circle. PQR, all are lying on the same circle, therefore PQR concyclic. Similarly, here I have drawn a circle. You can see a circle. What is a circle? Here you can see the circle and you can see points on the circle. What are the points on the circle? A, B, C, D. Do the points lie in the circle? Yes. So the points A, B, C and D, we call them as what? Concyclic. What are concyclic? If the points lie in the same circle, we call that points as concyclic. So here from the figure A, B, C, D are concyclic, and here from this figure P, Q, R are concyclic. Concyclic means what? If the points lie in the same circle, we call them as what? Concyclic points. Now going ahead, all of you know, if any point lies on the circle, then it should satisfy circle equation. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I taught you, suppose 1, 2 is on the circle, means if I put 1, 2 in circle equation LHS, it should give RHS. So now we will use that technique and the concept of concyclic and we will solve. So now what are concyclic points? Points, the given points are said to be concyclic if they lie on the same circle. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕಾನ್ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಎ, ಬಿ, C and D. A, B, C and D are lying on the same circle. They are on the same circle. Therefore, A, B, C, D are what? Concyclic. The given points are said to be concyclic if they lie on the same circle. Here A, B, C, D are concyclic because they lie on the same circle. Now, we will take problems based on concyclic. See, 5 mark questions. When you are doing substitution and solving simultaneous equations, you should do carefully. So now they are given, show that the points are concyclic. Show that the points are concyclic. So they gave points and we need to prove they are concyclic. Here you can see they gave 1, 2, 3, 4 points. 4 points are given. You need to prove they are concyclic. Means you need to prove they lie on the same circle. How to prove they lie on the same circle? Simple. Use 3 points and create circle equation. Using 3 points we should create circle equation. Then we should substitute the 4th point in the equation. It should satisfy. I will repeat the process. We have to use first 3 points. Here you can see 0, 0, 1, 1, 5, minus 5. Using 3 points I will create circle equation. All of you know standard equation of circle. What is standard equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the standard circle. In that circle we will have 3 unknowns. What are the 3 unknowns? G, f and c are 3 unknowns. So to find that 3 unknowns, substitute 3 points. Using 3 points create circle. What is the first step? Using 3 points create circle. And second step, put the 4th point in the circle equation. Substitute the 4th point in the circle equation, it should satisfy. So now step 1, using 3 points, they have given 4 points. If you observe, they have given 4 points, use 3 points. Using 3 points, create circle equation. So find the equation of circle passing through 3 points, 0, 0, 1, 1, 5, minus 5. Step 2, substitute the 4th point in the above circle. When you substitute the 4th point, if it satisfies, then that is the required circle. It's a standard 6 mark problem. In some of the papers they have asked this question for 6 marks in part E. And the same question also they may ask for 5 marks in part D. Now they gave 4 points and they want you to prove concyclic. First step, use 3 points, use the first 3 points and create circle. And second step, substitute the fourth point 6 minus 4 in the above. That's it. These are the 2 steps. Now let me solve. So first, what is the standard equation of circle? So let standard equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Call it as 1. Be the required circle. Be the required circle. So I am taking this as the required circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 be the required circle. Now I will substitute all the points. All of you know, see here, don't waste your time substituting 0, 0. We know if circle passes through origin, its C value is what? 0. Now circle is passing through what? Origin. Therefore its C value is 0. Since 1 means our circle passes through, they have given it is passing through 0 comma 0. Therefore C is 0 directly. Means in the place of x and y, if you put 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, you will get C equal to 0 directly. If any circle passes through origin, C is 0. Next, 1 means our circle passes through, one more point. What is another point they give? Our circle passes through 1 comma 1. So now in the place of x, y, put 1, 1. Here in the place of x and y, put 1, 1. So it will become 1 square plus 1 means this x coordinate and y coordinate substitute here. 1 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 1 plus c equal to 0. Simplify this. 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Further rearrange and you know C value. What is C value? C is 0 already. So in the place of C, put 0, 2g, 2f and this is 0, 2 plus is equal to what? 0, or can I say 2g plus 2f plus 2f is equal to minus 2. So is equals to transfer 2 to that side, plus 2 becomes minus 2. Call this as equation 2. Now you got an equation. All of you understand? First we should assume standard equation. What is standard equation? So whenever you want equation of circle, assume standard equation is the required equation. What is the standard equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. That will be the required equation. And they told it passes through origin. So in the place of xy, put origin, you will get c 0. Then it passes through, they told it also passes through 1, 1. So I got one equation. Now I will use third equation, 5 minus 5. Next, so 1 means our circle passes through one more point. What is one more point they give? It also passes through 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 means in the place of x and y in standard equation. What is standard equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx. So this is the standard equation. Equation 1, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is 1. So 1 passes through this, means in the place of x put x coordinate, in the place of y put y coordinate of the point. I told you if any point is on the circle or if circle passes through any point, put the point in the circle equation. So now in the place of x put 5, in the place of y put minus 5. So if I put 5 square plus y is minus 5 the whole square plus 2 into g into x is what? 5 plus 2 into f into y is what? Minus 5 plus c already you know, c you got 0. So is equal to 0. Simplify this. 25 plus 25 plus 10g minus 10f is equal to 0. 25 plus 25 50. 10g minus 10f is equal to minus 50, can I say? So now all are divisible by 10. You can divide it by 10, or the other equation. So if you see the past equation, all are 2, 2. I can multiply this by 5. so that we can solve simultaneous equations. Let this be equation 3. Now our task is to get the circle equation. To get circle, 3 unknowns are there, G, F, C. C already you got. C is what? 0. Why C is 0? Because circle is passing through origin. So C I got 0. Now I got one equation in GF, other equation. So solving 2 and 3. So I need to solve 2 and 3. First I will write 2. 2 is what? 2G, 2F minus 2. So solving equation 2 and 3. So what is equation 2? 2G plus 2F is equals to minus 2. I will multiply this by 5. So first multiply equation 2 by 5. If I do that, 5 2s are 10G, 5 2s are 10F, 5 into 2 minus 10. Now I got a new equation. So this was the old equation 2. Now this is 2 dash. Now under this I will write equation 3. I want to solve equation 3. What is equation 3? 10G minus 10F is equal to minus 50. This was equation 3. Now I will subtract. Either you can add or subtract. If you add 10F, 10F cancels, or if you subtract 10G, 10G cancels. This equation either you can add or subtract. So now I will do subtraction. So generally we will subtract in other cases. Here if you add it will be simpler also, but purposefully I am subtracting. So I am performing 2 dash minus 3. So when you subtract, sign changes. When you subtract, sign changes. So 10G minus 10G cancels. 10F plus 10F is 20F. Now minus 10 plus 50. Minus 10 plus 50 becomes plus 40. Opposite sign subtract. Now F is 40 by 20. What is 40 by 20? F is 2. Now we got F as 2. Now substitute F in any one equation to get G. Put F is equals to 2 in equation 2. What is equation 2? Equation 2, here you have 2G plus 2F, F means into 2, is equal to minus 2. So 2G, 2 2s are 4, 4 goes to that side, so it's minus 2 minus 4. So G is minus 6 by 2 minus 3. You got G also. Solving this, you will get G. Now you got GFC. We got what? GFC. So required circle is, they don't want circle, they want you to prove concyclic. For us to substitute the fourth point, I need a circle. So required circle is, so you know G, what is G you got? G value is minus 3. You get F also. What was F? F you got 2 and C 0. Substitute in 1. Put GFC in 1. In equation 1, if you substitute, you will get x square plus y square. This is equation 1 plus 2gx. 2 into minus 3x plus 2fy. 2 into 2y plus 0 is equal to 0. Or finally, you will get x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y equal to 0. Now this is a circle equation. What is the circle equation? X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y equal to 0. We got circle. They are not bothered about the circle. They want you to prove 4 points are concyclic. See, now using 3 points I got circle means the 3 points are lying on this circle. Now 4th point should satisfy. What is the circle? We got x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y. So now if you observe using this, so we got circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y equal to 0 was the circle. So now substitute last point. What is the last point? 6 comma minus 4. 6 comma minus 4 in the circle equation LHS in left hand side. So 6 minus 4 I will substitute 6 square plus minus 4 the whole square minus 6 into 6 plus 4 into minus 4. Now we should see whether we get RHS. What is RHS? 0. We will see. So 6 square is 36, 4 square is 16, 6 6 are 36 minus 16. So 36 minus 36, 16 minus 16 cancels 0, we got RHS. Therefore, the 4th point lies on the circle. Therefore, using 3 points we got a circle, and fourth point when I substituted it is giving you RHS. Therefore, fourth point lies on the circle. So, therefore, what is the conclusion? Therefore, given points are concyclic. Given points are concyclic. Listen, now I have completed the problem proving concyclic. What is the step 1? Use 3 points. They will give 4 points. How many points will be given? 4 points. Use 3 points. Using 3 points, create circle equation. So, using 3 points we got circle equation. What was the circle equation we got? So, we got this x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y equal to 0. Using 3 points, create a circle equation. Then step 2, substitute the fourth point. This was the fourth point, substitute it in this. When you substitute in the place of x and y, x coordinate as 6 and y coordinate minus 4, in this equation LHS you should get RHS. I substituted, in the place of x I substituted 6, in the place of y I substituted minus 4, I solved and I got 0. I got RHS. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Fourth point is on this circle, and this circle is made up of 3 points. Therefore, all 4 points are concyclic. First, what is the first step? Assume. Let standard equation of circle. What is the standard equation? Nodi beginning in the standard equation ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. What is the standard equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So, first step is let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 be the circle. Call it as equation 1. What is the second step? Substitute. 1 passes through origin. So, they told it is passing through this point. I told you if any circle passes through any point, substitute the point. In the place of x and y, if you put 0, 0, you will get c value 0, or directly remember if circle passes through origin, directly c is 0. We got one unknown. There are 3 unknowns. One is g, one is f, one is c. Now I got c. Now we should find g and f. To find g and f, I will use this. So now circle is passing through 1, 1. So 1 passes through point 1, 1. In the place of x and y in this equation, in the place of x and y, put 1, 1. So solve it, you will get equation in g and f. Call it as equation 2. Then 1 passes through 5 minus 5. In the place of x and y, in 1 put it, you will get another equation. Simultaneous equations are there. So solving 2 and 5. So you have to solve equation 2 and 3. When you observe 2, quotient is 2g, but in 5 it is 10g. So how to make this 10g? Multiply this whole equation by what? 5. That's what we have done. Multiply equation 2 by 5. When you multiply this, will become 10g, 10f and minus 10. Now you solve the new value of equation 2, I call it as 2 dash, subtract 2 dash and 3. When you subtract, you will get f. Put that f in equation 2, you will get g. After you get g, f, c, write the equation of circle. So we wrote the equation of circle. What is the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. In the place of j, I put minus 3. In the place of f, I put this. So we got the circle. In this circle, fourth point we have substituted. So when you substitute the fourth point, this one will get the RHS. RHS is 0. So fourth point is on the circle. That's why when you substitute fourth point in LHS of the circle, you will get RHS. So using 3 points, you created a circle, and fourth point is satisfying. So therefore, what is the conclusion? So you should write this. Therefore, given points are concyclic. Given points are what? Concyclic. What are concyclic points? If the points lie on the same circle, we call them as concyclic. Concyclic question is most important. Next question, sample 5 markers. Other type of 5 marker questions also will be asked. We will see what sort of questions they will ask. Find the equation of the circle. They want you to find the equation of circle passing through one of the points 0, 4 and 4, 7. It is passing through 2 points and its center lies on this line. Center is lying on this line. 3 hints they give. Using 3 hints, create 3 equations and solve them and get g of c. They want find the equation of what? Circle. ಯಾವುದೇ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ circle ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು solution is simple. So how to start? Let standard circle, let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, call it as 1. This is the circle. Be the required circle. Be the required circle. So many problems we have done. Always I am assuming standard equation of circle. That's why memorize this. What is standard equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. They want circle. Any problem if they ask you to find the circle, let this be the circle. Now 1 passes through 0, 4. 1 means circle. Passes through what? Passes through 0, 4. means in the place of x and y put 0 and 4 in the equation 1. If I substitute that, x place 0 occurs 0 square plus y means what, 4 square plus 2gx, 2 into g into 0 plus 2fy, 2 into f into 4 plus c is equal to 0. Simplify this, you will get an equation in GFC. 4 square is 16, 2 zeros are 0, so 8f. So you will get directly 8f plus c is equal to 16. You transfer that side, it will become minus 16. Call it as equation 2. Now I got equation 2. And further it also passes through 4 7. They told it passes through 4 7. So equation circle 1 passes through 4 7. 1 passes through other point. What is the other point? 4 comma 7. So substitute 4 comma 7 in equation 1. In the place of x and y, substitute it. So if you substitute, you will get 4 square plus y square, that is 7 square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into 7 plus c is equal to 0. Simplify this, 16 plus 49 plus 8g plus 14f plus c equal to 0, or 8g plus 14f plus c is equal to 49 plus 16, 59 plus 65. So transfer that side, it will become minus 65. Call it as equation 3. Minus 65 is equal to equation 3. Now we got 2 and 3. One more hint they give. Center lies on this. Center. What is center for standard circle? What is the center for standard circle? I taught you standard equation of circle, center, radius. Standard equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Center is minus g minus f. What is center? Minus g minus f. They told it lies on this. Given minus g minus f lies on this line. What is the line? 3x plus 4y. If any point is on the line, put the point in line equation. If it is any point is on the circle, put the point in circle equation. Now in the place of x and y, substitute in this line. So then it will become 3 into g plus 4 into 3 into minus g plus 4 into minus f is equal to 7, or I can say minus 3g minus 4f is equal to 7. Call it as equation 1, 2, 3 is over 4. Now you created 2, 3, 4 equations, simultaneous equations. You need to solve them. One is made up of g and f, the other one is made up of gc, the other one. So now if I subtract these two, these two, I can eliminate c. Once, then you will get equation in gf. So first we will solve 2 and 3. Now we will solving equation 2 and 3. Means I will do 2 minus 3. I will perform 2 minus 3 because c quotients are same. 8f plus c is equal to minus 16. This was equation 2 actually. And equation 3, 8g 14f plus c is equal to minus 65. Subtract. So all of you know, if you subtract, sign changes. So minus plus c minus c cancels. This will become minus 8g, and 8 minus 14 becomes minus 6f is equal to, sign changes, 65 minus 16, 49 positive. Now you got an equation in g and f. Call this as equation 4. Now we have a fourth equation. See, observe fourth and the other equation. This is minus 3g minus 4f equal to 7. Minus 3g minus 4f equal to 7. Call this as 5 because already we have fourth. So now I will write fourth equation. What was the fourth equation? Observe fourth equation. Minus 3g minus 4f. Minus 3g minus 4f is equal to 7. This was the equation 4. See, observe 4 and 5. 4 and 5, I want to make the quotient same. So here we have minus 8. Here we have minus 3. So multiply this by 3 and multiply that by 8. So, I will multiply this by 3 and I will multiply this by 8. So, quotients of this interchanges. If I multiply, this will become, if you multiply, this will become minus 8 into 3 minus 24g. I am multiplying minus 18f and 49 into 3, 9 3s are 27, 2, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 4, 147. So, I multiplied equation 5 by 3. Why I should multiply by 3? Because here quotient is 3 and now I multiply this by 8. Again this will become minus 8 into 3 minus 24, 8 into 4 minus 32, 8 into 7 56. Now I will subtract these two. Subtract the simultaneous equations. When you subtract, sign changes. Subtract this, you get 14f. Subtract this, 147 minus 56, 91. F is 91 by 14. Similarly, solve for G. 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are. So, you got F is 13 by 2. Substitute F in any one equation to get G. Now, put F is equal to 13 by 2 in, I can substitute in any one equation 2. In equation 2, if I put, I will get C. 8 times F, what is F? 13 by 2 plus C is equal to minus 16. 2 1s are 2, 4s are. So, then C is equal to minus 16. Simplify this. 52. C is minus 16 minus 52. C is minus 68. So, you got F and C. Now, substitute F and C in G. So, put F is equal to 13 by 2 in 4 in equation 4. What is equation 4? Minus 3G minus 4 F. F is what? 13 by 2 is equal to 7. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So, minus 3G minus 26 is equal to 7, or rearrange it, 3G goes that side. 3G is equal to minus 26 minus 7. G is minus 33 divided by 3, that is minus 11. So, G you got minus 11. So, you got G of C. G minus 11, F 13 by 2, C minus 68. Substitute G of C to get circle equation. So, substitute G of C in circle equation. In the place of G minus 11, in the place of F 13 by 2, in the place of C put minus 68, you will get circle equation. So, we will do that. So, now put G minus 11, F 13 by 2, C minus 68. What is C? Minus 68. Minus 68 in 1, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx, 2 into minus 11x plus 2 into fy, 13 by 2y minus 68 equal to 0. Now, this 2 cancels. Final answer, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 13y minus 68 equal to 0. This is our answer. I hope all of you understood. They gave 3 conditions. They want you to find the equation of circle. Whenever they ask you to find the equation of circle, assume x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 be the required circle. Then you should find g of c. They gave a hint. Circle passes through 0 4. Substitute 0 4 in LHS. So, you will get, in the place of x and y, put 0 and 4. So, you will get an equation in GF, call it as equation 2. Then they told it passes through 4 7. Put this 4 7 in this, again you will get another equation, call 3. Now, we have 2 3 and they have also given center lies on the line. Center means what? Minus G minus F lies on this line. So, put this in this line equation, you will get another. So, 2 3 4, 3 simultaneous equations you will get. Solve 3 simultaneous equations to get GFC and substitute them in first equation, you will get the circle. That is it. If any circle passes through any point, put the point in the circle equation. If center lies on any line, center means what? Minus G minus F, put it in the line, that is it. So, now we are done with almost all the types of 5 markers. Now, let me summarize. Say summarize. Let me summarize the whole topic, whatever we discussed, and this summary is most important for you. I told you any other chapter we need definitions, but in this chapter you should be thorough with the equations. So, I will go on writing the equations. What is the first equation? Equation of circle with center origin. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square is equal to r square. This is what? Circle with center origin, with C as what? Origin, and radius is r. Second, what is the standard equation of circle with center h comma k? So, equation of circle with center h comma k is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square, where hk is what? Center, means they will give circle and the center is given point h comma k and radius is r. Then very important, that is standard equation of circle. What is standard equation of circle? Almost all the 5 markers we have done using this. What is the standard equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is a standard equation. What is the center for this? Center is minus g minus f, and what is the radius for this? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So, have we studied only these 3 equations? No, we have also learnt one more. Equation of circle when diameter ends are given. Equation of circle when they give diameter ends. So, they will give one end of the diameter x1 y1 and they will give other end of the diameter x2 y2. If they give this, what is the equation of circle? Then it is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to what? 0. What is the equation of circle when diameter ends are given? X minus x1 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is a circle equation when diameter ends are given. So, 4 different equations we have learned and we have done the problems based on this. So, what is the first one? Equation of circle with center origin. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square equal to r square. And what is the equation of circle with center h comma k? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. What is the standard equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus e equal to 0. What is its center? Minus g minus f. What is its radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. And when diameter ends are given, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Memorize these equations and become thorough. So, dear students, the subject becomes very easy once you are thorough with these equations. Heading and equation you should know. Then we have also learned some of the interesting problems, like when they give conditions like unit circle. What is unit circle? Radius is 1. Point circle. What is point circle? Radius is 0. Then we have problems in concentric circle. Concentric means what? 2 circles are said to be concentric if they have same center. And further, you know, point of intersection of diameters is center. Based on this, we will discuss problems. In my coming session, I will discuss some more problems and different sample problems we will discuss and we will conclude circles. So, now assignment for today. So, I taught you different problems. Please go through that, become thorough and solve this. Find the equation of circle passing through 0, 0, 1, 0 and center on x axis. Please solve this. And find the equation of circle passing through 3 points. You know, in concyclic I taught you how to find and show that this is concyclic. 3 different problems I have given. Please sit and complete this. So, for all these things starts with what? Let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 be the required circle. And put the first point, you get one equation, put second point, you get another equation, and they told center lies on x axis. Center lies on x axis means its f value is 0. F is 0, c is 0 because it passes through origin, only you should find g. So, this is easier problem. So, all 3 try them. So, today without fail, please sit and complete these 3 problems. I will see you in my next session. Till then, bye.